Do you have a vacant rental? Let TenantCloud help you list it. With listing syndication, you can publish your listings on multiple sites at once, saving time while expanding your reach. To start, head to the Listings section in TenantCloud and choose the right unit. Fill out your property details, add photos, and include a description. Make sure to add your application info, tenant screening options, and how you want to collect application fees. Now it's time to list. With one click, you can syndicate your listing on our partner sites, including Rentler, Realtor.com, and Apartments.com at no extra cost. To reach an even wider audience, you can publish your listing on Redfin, Apartment Guide, and the entire Rent.com network for just $30. When your rental listings are live, you can receive rental applications, request screening reports, and get tenants moved in, all inside TenantCloud. Get started today with a free trial at TenantCloud.com.